guys, how's it going? My name is Alani. So, say your eyes are the windows to your soul. Then your eyebrows must be your frames. And to make sure you have that perfect brow line, you'll need to do a few at-home touch-ups between your usual professional wax or threading appointments. If you do those, and these tips that I'm going to provide will ensure that you always have the perfect brows. So I'm really excited to share this awesome device with you guys. It's the iMusthav MV100 Mini EyeBrow Remover. So in the package, it comes with the device, a battery to start it, and a little cleaning brush. It's the most versatile hair removing tool that is so precise and compact in size. Look at that. It's basically the size of a pen, actually even smaller, and it can simply be thrown into your handbag without taking much space up at all. That makes it great for portability and travel. As we all know, there are many facial hair trimmers on the market that can be used to trim facial hair and touch up eyebrows. I'm sure you've seen quite a few advertised. But what makes this one better and more efficient? These are some of the benefits and advantages of this specific product from this brand. The tip is very precise and can easily remove individual hairs from the top or bottom of your brows. It has an 18-karat gold-plated head that is hypoallergenic. There's an LED ring around the entire head which provides illumination, so it ensures effective removal of even the finest hairs. So you can open this by twisting to the word open, and it operates on one single AAA battery, and you can use it immediately, which should provide 6 months of normal use once per week. Alright guys, here is how it works. There are many small slots on the tip where hair can enter so it can get trimmed. So you bring the tip into contact with the skin and slide it to the root of the hair to be removed. If it doesn't cut immediately, rotate the unit with your fingers slightly to align the nearest slot. Practice makes perfect, so it is very useful to practice on your arm or leg hair to get it right and make it super quick and easy on the brows. All you need is a few minutes of practice, and you can gain the confidence and skill to use it without accidentally removing too much hair. Patience is required anyways to pluck your eyebrows, right? So with just a little practice using the MV100, it'll enable you to do your brows quickly and pain-free. See, look how great and clean my eyebrows look compared to before. Alright, so let me just summarize the benefits of this product one more time. The iMusthav Mini EyeBrow Remover tip is so precise and can remove even the tiniest of hairs. This has much more control than waxing, plucking, trimming, and it's definitely safe for all skin types, including sensitive skin. The 18-karat gold-plated tip is hypoallergenic and helps to prevent irritation and skin allergies. So it is completely painless hair removal. If you guys have ever done threading, you must have gotten watery eyes before because it is so painful sometimes. It eliminates hair accurately with no pain. And the tip of the device is not sharp, so there's no chance of getting injured or cut at all. But yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye!